So there's all these confusing fats, trans fats, not trans fat, whatever. I don't know. I honestly get really confused between them. Could you explain the difference and which ones?
Oh, absolutely. So trans fats and saturated fats are the bad fats essentially, and polyunsaturated fats and monounsaturated fats. Those are the healthy fats. Those are the fats your body needs. Trans fats was actually it was chemically or it was scientifically engineered in a lab. These scientists were trying to find a way, to get rid of the saturated fats, and then it turned out that trans fats are worse than saturated fats. So, saturated fats are the stuff that are artery clogging, and they're not good. They start building up the cholesterol too in your body. Not good at all. Whereas, the polyunsaturated fats, the monounsaturated fats, those are healthy fats that your body stores up that your body needs. So that's when people see and they look at fat, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Okay, it's just what kind of fat it is you're eating. So if you see saturated or trans, no good. If you see polyunsaturated or monounsaturated fats, you're okay.
Cool. So all foods like M&Ms, Ho-Hos, bad fats.
Bad fats, yes. Bad fats, lots of sugar. Bad fats, bad carbs. You see, that's the difference.
And is there in natural food? Are there bad fats or?
There are, yeah. There are definitely bad fats in natural foods too, but for the most part, not as healthy as all that process. It's not as bad as all that processed stuff. Those stuffs are loaded with additives and preservatives and all types of stuff that it's like chemicals, and you don't want that. At least the natural foods, there's less chemicals. So.
Yeah, that's interesting because a lot of people look for organic, but then I started seeing recently more people looking for natural, because at least it's like you don't know, but at least it's natural at least.
Yeah. Natural's good, huh?